Flex.
Driving in my FC. Oh no. What is that? What the what? So this is really cool. But this is not cool. Apparently this is the rock garden on the map. Just hope I don't slip off of that.
Don't say that.
Well, that's a possibility.
I don't want to hear the possibilities at this point. You can tell me the possibilities afterwards.
Well, you wouldn't go anywhere. You'd just fall on your side right there. I haven't aired down yet, but I think now's the time. No beadlocks on this sucker, so I don't want to go too far down.
What are you airing down to?
Oh, a little hump. A little hump and bump.
Yikes. I think you're too... Okay.
Better?
Yeah. That's better. There you go. Good job.
So catchy, the gas pedal is.
I know. Yay! Good job, babe. Don't kill your wife.
That gas pedal is catchy.
Yeah.
We did it! We made the rock garden. That was the hardest part of the trail that we've been on so far.
You're so good at this, it's scary.
That was insane for a FC of this size with this much weight in the back of it. That was crazy. That was the sketchiest stuff we've done in the FC yet. That would have been,
Yeah.
that first part would have been sketchy in my Comanche.
Yeah.
That was nuts.
You probably would have tried something harder than that. Pass off.
Check this out though. Look at the views out here.
Other than the trash.
Yeah, people are a little trashy, leaving their trash behind.
At least that's too far for them to tag like the other one.
But it's cool little undercuts and stuff down in here, little cave-like things. I think this is my favorite section of the byway so far. I guess this would be the southeastern part of the byway.
I think you're just obsessed with rocks, Utah boy.
Alright, let's see what else it's got in store for us.
I learned that I have a really bad habit of underestimating what you can do with a vehicle. Because that thing looks ridiculous going through things, and all the time anybody would see us and be like, did you guys just come up from there? Did you guys just come up from there?
When we got to the top of the rock garden on the DBBB, there was a guy that was living off to the left there. He was working outside, and he looked over and he's like, did you guys just bring that up there? It was pretty funny. We missed it on camera, but
yeah,
that was good. And then we had two police officers pull us over and ask us and just
say hi.
Just to say hi. And
they
say,
like the FC.
we like watching your channel. So that was interesting. I thought I was in trouble at one point. I was like, oh, do we have anything going on? What do we need to do?
I think it's nice that they appreciate it enough to say, hey, good job.
Right, but it scares you in the moment.
Yeah,
you're being
does.
pulled over and you don't know why.
It's like we were not speeding.
Right.
I know that.
We were probably going 40 in a 55, so.
If anything, you'd be pulled over for that. You're holding up traffic, sir. You need to pull over every once in a while and let everybody by. So.
We are out of ice.
Which is like the biggest obstacle we've come to yet.
This is a real problem for my Dr. Pepper addiction. So far we've done almost all of the byway and we haven't crossed a gas station or convenience store yet. So if you're going to do it, make sure that you have plenty of gas for sure. Which it's only like 90 miles or something like that. But ice. You can't get ice anywhere.
And he's like ridiculous about how cold his drinks have to be. Everything in the fridge is frozen.
It's best if it's almost frozen.
Yeah, there's nothing like frozen milk. It's delicious. Need some gas, babe?
So on my map here it says we're going to be crossing David's Big Boulder Beach here pretty soon. I don't know what that is. Is that a beach with sand and boulders?
Is it gonna be anything like that rock garden?
Hope not.
Me too. You can only live through one of those a day, I think. So like 5 seconds ago, told Matt we needed gas. And
you jinxed me. We're about to go down into this ravine here and I ran out of gas.
I hope you like the smell of gasoline because I'm gonna smell like that for the next week.
Those are birds. Oh! What was that?
They're squishy. They're very, very juicy.
One day we were wheeling and Jeremy was going through a bunch of berries like this and they all went behind his back and ended up squishing in his seat.
Poor Jeremy. Oh, they're coming in.
Yeah, they're yeah. You're gonna have berries in your butt.
Yay.
Ooh.
Get your gag reflex going. That is not your gag reflex, you weirdo.
I thought that's what it was.
You're sticking your tongue in and it's not bad.
This is the weirdest mushroom lichen thing I have ever seen. Look how big it is. That thing is monstrous. Just saw it right here by our campsite this morning. Anybody know what that is?
You are so strange. I don't even know if we can be married anymore.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh. That is nutso. What is going on over here? Flying ants decided to come out today and spread their wings. So this is where we decided to make camp last night. What's the name of this road? Something road. Ah! I don't know where I'm going.
No hands!
Ah! Sometimes when I do the filming, Hope has to do the steering. Have to climb it.
We have to climb it. I'm getting out and videoing.
This is what you call teamwork right here.
Just saying. Just taking a little swim.
So this is actually kind of a beach. It's got sand. It's pretty cool. This would have been a cool camping spot. I left Hope on the wrong side of the river though. So we're gonna go on a little search and rescue mission here. Well, we found the swimming hole. This is it right here. We saw it from coming down over there on the road, or on the trail. And then it's actually undercut. Get your butt back in that fence. You get on in that fence. Get on in there. Get on in there. Alright, so we put gas in at the top of that hill back there. And it's probably been, 30 miles since then?
Yeah.
And we only had 5 gallons. We're going to be cutting it close.
Yeah.
So wish us luck on this. If not, we'll be knocking on doors around here. Uh-oh. If you're going to do the whole loop of the Backcountry Byway, I would suggest that you carry 5 gallons of gas with you because we needed it for sure. Otherwise, we'd have been in a pick. Oh no. They don't have gas.
Not anywhere?
Seriously? What the heck? That's just great.
We can find one down the road somewhere, I'm sure.
Alright, to the next gas station. Hopefully they have another one.
Onward.
Yay!
Yay!
We had to climb a hill to get up here. I was a little worried about that. All right, good job.
Yep.
We are now at the starting point where we started on the Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway. We completely circumnavigated the entire main loop of that thing, and we did it in 2 days and a couple of hours in the Jeep FC.
And it's still alive.
It's still functioning. It likes the off-road way more than it likes the on-road, I can tell you that.
Totally true.
We've had all the people that helped us with this sign it except for us.
Me too?
Yeah, you've helped a lot.
Yeah.
I think we should sign it at our corresponding places that we sit. I'll sign here,
Oh, okay.
and let's get you to sign on this side. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Now it's ready to give away.
I hope you love it, Dave.
Dave? Dave Blank? You can wipe that off if you want.